Hi all, hope you all are doing good. I'm Shweta back with new information. So today I wanted to talk about problem solving using evidence and critical thinking. This is one of the very important topic for the project management, and this requires a lot of evidences based on the criticality, thoughtfulness, and that relates very complex part of any of the projects where we can just define it with the multiple causes and develop with either micro environment or with the macro environment. So it's a very important from all the perspective. I wanted to give you an overview how it works and what would be the steps which needs to be taken care as a project manager. So the first thing, it's very important to understand the issue, what is the issue and what would be the steps that needs to be taken care. So for any of the business problem solving, there are three categories. The first is you should understand, first you have to understand before proceeding to the work on your analysis of the specific issues. So the first is the macro environment, which is a factor outside of the company that affect the company is able to operate, or is there anything else related with the overall from the company perspective. And the second is the micro environment. So that is a factor inside the company that affects the particular issues we are addressing. The third is our own biases and preconceptions about the issues and the setting in which it arises. So let me just take it one by one that what are the factors needs to be taken care. So the first is macro environment. So the macro environment consists of economic conditions, political and social conditions, law and regulations, technology changes, demographic shifts in the market, and shifts in the competitive environment in which your company does any businesses. So there are times when one or more of these things will not be an issue, but in doing a context assessment we want to make sure that we should touch each aspects and those factors that will going to impact on the issues and we are working on. So that's something which needs to be very important to take care from the macro environment perspective. But when it comes to micro environment, we need to take care of the first and foremost as a decision maker. So we need to understand who is this person, what does he or she value, who is he or she measured by the organizations, and what are the recent key events within the company, such as example a change in the leaderships, change in the key organizational policies, and or the introductions of any new organization systems or process that might have impact on the issues I'm working on. So what the financial conditions of the organizations in your unit in particular, what are the current strategic priorities of the organizations and the unit. Are there any upcoming key events or deadlines of which we need to be aware before taking any kind of decisions? And lastly, in the micro environment, who are the key stakeholders, who are the actors with respect to that issues, and how interested are they in the issues? And what do you know about what they already believe or prefer? And lastly, we have to take account of us as the problem solver, because the problem solver is always part of the problem context. So we need to ask ourselves the following question. The first is, what do you believe you already know about the situations you are addressing, and how do you know it? What, if anything, are working assumptions about the situations, and what are the base of those assumptions? So these are the things we need to be very sure, we need to take care whenever we are addressing any kind of issues, and we have to think from the problem solving perspective. And after that we can analyze and we can come up with the outcome, that what could be the best possibility here to come up with the decisions making while doing the problem solving. Hope you like my video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Have a good day.